Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on your device. So to get started, what you want to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible. I'm just going to make it a little bit brighter though. Here we go. So once your content is visible on your screen, all you need to do is press your power button and volume down at the same time. You will have a flash along with a pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it just disappears. There we go. Now once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. It will be located under Library, and here you should find an album called Screenshots. Here obviously you will find only screenshots that I've captured over some period of time. And here's the one that I have literally just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.